Hi, I'm Noah and I'm a maker.
I have been making things as long as I can remember. Starting with cardboard, I made toys like this gondola, later attempting various projects to solve small problems. While many of my projects have grand purposes, some I've worked on simply for fun, as is the case with my longest running project, paddleboard motors called Lazy Paddles. Starting in the summer of 2020, I've built one or more models each year, continuously improving my designs. As I grew up, I learned new skills, but also began focusing on solutions to global problems. My first true invention, named Superplant, attempted to improve food production with leaf-mounted LEDs, and my next, JellyJet, was a new water propulsion method using electromagnets inspired by jellyfish. My largest maker project was an evaporation-powered engine, which hasn't yet worked due to sealing issues, but if functional could provide renewable energy from nothing but water and hot desert air. I've also worked on other smaller projects, including many pieces of lab equipment for a chemistry science fair project. Here are two fiber strength test stands. The first I made quickly with particle board, while the second is 3D printed with a digital readout. Here are some heating and cooling stir plates. Here is a centrifuge. Some other projects I've worked on are 2 algae farms, a windmill, solar panels, and more. In addition to my regular engineering projects, I enjoy doing woodwork as it is very relaxing and produces beautiful and useful pieces as well. Thank you for listening.